Hey, welcome back to the channel. Day 2 of OldTown Boat rebuild. Change of plans. As much as I'd like to bring this thing back to complete original canvas and making it look pretty, I'm thinking more practical. Those soft spots were a little worse than I thought. So we're going to bring the inside back to original form. Clean that cedar up, varnish it all. But outside, we're going to cover this in a 10-ounce fiberglass mat. Excuse me, not a mat. We're going to go with a cloth or a weave. And then we're going to epoxy it. Paint it up with some Holland Lac paint and get it in the water. Looking for durable on the outside and that old town classic look on the inside. Stay tuned. All right, so fiberglass is not really my expertise, but here we are rolling the mat out. Gonna have plenty to wrap down onto that transom. All right, so we're getting ready to start fitting this cloth. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some flashing tape. I don't want this to get heavy and start sliding when we get the epoxy on it. So I'm actually going to fasten this down with some all-weather flashing tape in hopes to hold it in place while we're coating this. There's probably a better product for this. This is just what I had. Some Henry beautiful flashing tape.